Maayong butag mga kapuso, it's best of time na sab. Game on na ang mga newest courtside reporters ng NCAA Season 97 and this morning, atong ila-ilahon sina Chloe Carillo and Eden Hernandez. Maayong buntag Chloe and Eden and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
So good so far po, maayong buntag sa lahat po.
Maayong buntag mga kapuso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-imbita sa amin and we are very excited to be here, of course.
First of all, congratulations for your success, Chloe and Eden, because we've heard na you've auditioned pala daw several times to become courtside reporters at ngayon nga ay kasama na kayo sa mga newest courtside reporters ng NCAA Season 97. How did you prepare for this big break?
Well, I'll start na lang po.
Sige,
Well, for me po, I actually auditioned nung season 95 and then I was too young to go through to the next round. So I was extremely excited when they opened up the auditions again for this season. So I really tried my best to study yung mga naging episodes ng season 96 sa GMA and sa GTV and also went back kung ano ba yung prepare ko dati ng season 95 and ayun po yung naging preparation ko. A lot of research and a lot of watching back from the season 96 and season 95.
Well, actually, just like Chloe, this is not my first time to audition. So I was already familiar with the audition process. And so I prepared myself, of course, mentally with how the previous auditions were. So one thing I did, just like Chloe, I had to recall and familiarize myself again with basketball, volleyball, of course, by watching games and videos online.
Kay Chloe naman, hobby mo rin ang mag-travel and certainly you have met different kinds of individuals, diba? How do you think would that experience help you now na isa ka ng courtside reporter?
Well, for the first question po, as a techie, I am a student of technical communication. So, super hasang-hasa kami when it comes to research, reading, and I feel like my atake will be very research-oriented. So, itatry ko talagang hanapin yung mga stories na gusto marinig ng mga NCAA fans natin, mga ka-NCAA natin. As for this being my dream, yes po, I really like the role of being a reporter. I really am amazed by journalists and people who can really tell a story out of different events. So it's been a dream of mine, and now being here, I'm still quite overwhelmed and it hasn't sinked in, especially with being invited to regional TV. It seems like a dream until now.
To Eden naman, as the flight attendant reporter ng Las Piñas, how different is this new milestone for you? Lalo na that we've heard that you've just completed your trainings kamakailan lang.
Yes, so actually as a flight attendant, when we do our flight announcements on board, we have a certain script or we follow a standard script. So it's more of a one-way type of communication towards our guests. But now, when it comes to becoming a courtside reporter, it's the other way around, diba? So when we demonstrate, right now we demonstrate two-way type of communication with the players, with the coaches, and even with the fans. And we don't follow a script right now. We make our own script. We create our own reports. So basically, this new milestone will serve as a new learning opportunity for me to become an effective communicator, of course.
Girls, please invite lahat ng ating mga Kapuso viewers all over Mindanao to watch out for the NCAA Season 97 opening ceremonies and live games.
Hello mga Kapuso! Once again, I am Eden, ang isa sa mga bago niyong makakasama sa NCAA at alam kong hindi na rin kayo makapagkintay sa nalalapit na Season 97 kaya iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat saan mang panig ng Pilipinas to please watch Game On GTV starting March 20, 10:30 a.m. at sabay-sabay nating kilalanin ang mga players na dapat nating abangan this season.
Yes, and as for the NCAA Season 97 opening ceremonies, it will be on March 26 on 2:30 p.m. This will be simulcast on GMA and GTV. And mga ka-NCAA, to follow that will be the first and second games of Season 97 3:30 and also 7:05 p.m. Both games will be live on GTV. So we are inviting you guys to really go with us and celebrate the opening of the season 97 and also start watching the games of our players. And we are extremely excited to be there in courtside to be with you guys and watching history happening, because it's been a while since we've seen live games, and we're excited to bring that to you along with GMA and GTV.
Second kaing salamat, Chloe and Eden. It was a great chat. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Stay safe.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Thank you to all
Daghang
viewers.
salamat.
Daghang salamat.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.